best thing is tackle from both the ends. Go on reducing your thermic load and also be ready for the quantum jump. So either way you have to go on working, one day it happens. Now where are karmas? This is more deeper aspect of it. They are in the karmic body, the causal body. And this can be seen also. Not yet the cameras have been developed, but soon I think the cameras will also be able to see, like cameras are able to see the astral entities. Very soon cameras will also be able to see the causal bodies. Clairvoyance had always been seen. We have seen the presentation of Leadbeater, how he used to see the karmic body. And it is possible to see. Once we get insights into our karmic body and we start removing that karmic load, all other bodies also start getting cleared up very fast. See, otherwise what will happen? Your etheric body will clean up the moment you do Kriya. Your astral body also will start shining if you gain your emotional control. But your gross karmic body, if it is not clean yet, it will keep on coming and disturbing you emotionally. See, lot of people I have seen are not able to improve their EQs. They still get disturbed emotionally. Why? Because of some gross karmas and that causal body inputs, they keep coming to your astral body and your emotional disturbances will continue. It's not easy unless you remove that causal body debris. Your emotional body clearance cannot happen to that astral. And that is the reason Karmakshala and Vidhi has got lot of importance. See, there is a bottleneck in your system which you are not understanding. Further growth cannot happen because that bottleneck is not removed. Karmakshala and Vidhi removes that bottleneck. Where is the basic trouble? That trouble has to be removed. If that is removed, further things starts opening up very fast. Then whatever efforts you put, you will get some result. Without this, whatever efforts you put will not get result. And that is the main problem. Most of the people are putting lot of efforts and are not getting result. The reason is karma. This much background. Now where are the karmas? They are in the causal body and they are connected through your Sushumna Nadi to your current aspect, and that's how they go on influence. Buddhi Karmanusarani happens because Sanchita pops up, becomes Prarabdha. That Prarabdha goes on influencing the Buddhi. Accordingly your mind functions, accordingly your life moves. That is the mechanism. So if you burn the karmas, which is Prarabdha, which is easier to do, suddenly you experience kind of a release, kind of a relief, and you are free. Free of what? Free of that prompting of Prarabdha, which influences your buddhi, which influences your mind, and all that garbage goes on without your control. So you do this thing, you will gain the control over your mind. Otherwise, Patanjali says, Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. It begins with that. First Atha Yoga Anusasana. Second, Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. That will never happen. The beginning of yoga will not happen unless you understand that it is your karma which prompts your buddhi, and accordingly you get your thoughts and you have absolutely no control over them. And that is what is the niyati. So we are all governed like a puppet. So if you want to gain control over your life, the first thing is you burn your karma. So that prompting of prarabdha to buddhi, that is the path which you should cut up. Then you have your own choice. Conscious choices are possible only after that, not until then. As long as your karmas are prompting you, you have no choice of your own. Because everything will move only as per your karma. And that is the biggest hassle on the path. That is why when I understood this almost 7 years back, this aspect, I started putting all the earnings into that ashram and started creating the setup where we can clearly do this process. That's what most of you did, and you got a lot of benefits. Diseases getting cured very fast, all karmic releases, it all happened, documented, all the proofs are there. And that is the beauty of the whole thing. That commitment has to be there, the process has to be learned properly, and then you do it. If you do it for 40 days in water, for sure you get the results, guaranteed. So if the facility is not there at home, then we need to create the facility. Or at least once in a week we can do it somewhere in the city. So let us do it today. see the effect, and then we do it underwater wherever possible. And we need to come together for organizing this kind of events, and I invite all of you to be participate actively in organizing. So all of us must support the cause and come to a point where we decide that all of us will go to a beach resort and do this process under sea. That is the excellent results. Half a day you spare, probably your sadhana of 20 or 30 years will happen in half a day. That is the kind of effect you get. Those who have done it, they have got the results. There are specialty things which I know, I can help you to do all those things only if you commit yourself to this. You commit yourself to the path. You commit to the purity of Kriya Yoga. You learn the things in a proper manner, and for sure the results are guaranteed. You try 1,000 different things, nothing is happening. Why are you wasting your time unnecessarily doing this, doing that? Come to the point, do the things neatly and get the results immediately. We don't have much time. 2012 is knocking on the door. The masters are saying that maybe all the masters working together will be able to avoid at least 60% of that. But 40% will still happen, and that is unavoidable. It's not that the total destruction will happen, but 40% destruction is happening unavoidable, and the reason is people are not waking up to the fact. We have to commit to that, and we have to understand and come up to the level very fast. We don't have much time. So this understanding has to happen very fast so that we can save ourselves, we can save our near and dear one, and whosoever is willing, wake up. Commit yourself to the cause. Gather the momentum. Gather all the inputs as a group. Let us commit and move faster, because we are the group where the technology is tried and tested and it is available. We have enough scientific proof of what we are doing.